How to fix WhatsApp video call not connecting on iPhone. Can't start or connect to a WhatsApp video call? Let's fix that issue together on your iPhone. A strong and fast internet connection is essential for video calls. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data if one isn't working well. Go to Settings, go to WhatsApp, and make sure both camera and microphone are enabled so the other app can use them during calls. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it. VPNs can interfere with real-time connections like video calls. First, close WhatsApp and open it again. This refreshes its internet connection to the internet. Now you should be able to enjoy smooth WhatsApp video calls again. And that's about it. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.